Here it is, 2022. The world has changed. WineFood has not. 2021 has changed the world, but not the quality of food and wine. 2021 has produced exceptional wine, and I'm looking forward to show off the elegance and beauty in 2022. Well, the philosophy and making of WineFood continues, solid based on professional hospitality knowledge and practical chef skills. Product experience is combined with fresh and local produce. Seasonal freshness and shingleback wine is the foundation for our menu. Classical and traditional recipes are fortified with modern techniques and the very own WineFood methods of cookery. WineFood and Seafood on the Rocks is proudly designed with finest shingleback wine for your dining and wining experience. In 2022, I'm looking forward to cook, reduce, steam, braise, boil and marinate fine food with the best of shingleback wine. And you are invited to come and enjoy WineFood and Seafood on the Rocks here at the Shingleback Winery in McLaren Vale. In 2022, we like you to come as guest and leave as friend of WineFood at Shingleback. Cheers and Prost. I'm Horst, your WineFood chef.